Hey everyone, it's Noah, Strategic Account Manager here at Evident, and today I'm going to show you how to set your practice apart and 3D print gingival reduction guides like a pro. Let's find out how easy it is to use Evident to streamline your workflow and upload a case for us to design. To order your design, log into your Evident account. Click Outsource CAD Designs and select Gingival Reduction Guide. In the order form, leave your detailed personal preferences to guarantee a case that aligns with your expectations. Our designers integrate directly into your workflow to give you personalized designs regardless of your software or hardware. So we just got our STL back from our design center. Now we're going to nest our guide on the preform software to place all the supports and make sure it prints correctly. Today we're printing our guide on the Formlabs Form 3D printer with the Dental LT clear resin. First, we're going to place our guide in an alcohol wash to clean off all the excess resin. Today we're using the Acrotic Cleanie as our washing medium. We're just going to cure our guide in the Formlabs Form Cure to solidify it.
And there you go, an easy way to 3D print gingival reduction.